In conclusion, we've now gone through various elements for you to add text and content to various blocks and to manipulate those blocks inside of your WordPress site. As you make each change, one of the things you should be doing is you should be previewing those changes so you'll be able to see how it's going to look inside of your entire site. You can do that by clicking this preview button. That's going to give you a glimpse of your site. You'll be able to do any testing that you want to do of your multimedia. And just as you would inside of any version of WordPress, you can then click the Publish button. In order to edit your site, one of the things you can do is you can go to your block navigation. And if you have been faithful to build your site by placing things inside of different blocks, you can then go back to that block and you can edit it according to how you feel it looks on your site. Now obviously we've gone through only a few of the block options that you have. You'll see them here in this most used area. However, there are more common blocks. There are formatting blocks, layout elements, widgets. For example, we can work with short code there. And in some cases, you may even want to work with some of the embeds. For example, we used HTML code in order to embed a YouTube video. What we could have done is use the YouTube embed element, and that would have achieved the same thing that we did using the actual embed code. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.